In this video, we're going to learn about 5 JFR tools. The first one is the Circle Curve tool. This tool allows you to toggle between using the diameter or radius to define the circle generated. When set to diameter mode, the value entered will represent the diameter of the circle. You can also adjust the number of control points for the circle curve. On the right side of the tool, you can determine where the 0 point is generated. One of the commonly used options is the position of the seam point. When control points are turned on, you'll see that the seam point is placed downwards. To close the control point, simply right-click. The right-click tool also provides a Rhino-style circle. By pressing Shift and the right mouse button, you can view a macro of commands that have been modified for your convenience. Right-clicking allows you to create a circular curve at any position, and the curve is parameterized uniformly. Next, we move on to the Single Curve Rectangle tool. Click on the icon and follow the command prompt. First, click on a position to generate the curve. If you'd like to place it at the center of the world, just enter 0 and press Enter to confirm. Then, input the width and height of the rectangle in the command prompt. A single curved rectangle will be generated, and it can be adjusted by turning on the control points. You can also combine it with other curve drawing tools for editing, such as drawing a profile of a pendant ribbon. The rectangle can be placed anywhere, which is helpful when the center of the world is obscured by other objects. The third tool is the Close Curve tool. While previously we could close a curve during the drawing process, this new tool allows you to close it afterward as well. For example, you can make an open curve and then use the Close Curve tool to finish it. Now let's talk about the Open Curve tool. Note that open curves require 2 control points to be selected. You'll need to turn on the control points and then use the Open Curve tool to select both. It's also possible to open the curve at various positions, depending on your design needs. Next is the Join Curves tool, which is extremely useful. Start by drawing a curve using the Simple Curve tool. Often you may want to offset this curve, but we'll first review some basics. Hold down Ctrl and use the left mouse button to create another curve. To join the curves, click on the point where you want the connection. The curve will then continue from that point. The connected curves are selected by default, so you just need to click on the open end. Pressing the spacebar will complete the process. If you want to create a right angle instead of a smooth arc at the join, click twice on the connectors. Clicking once creates an arc, and clicking twice switches to a right angle. If it has already been clicked once by default, just click again to toggle it. Then click on Close and press Space to generate the final curve. The command prompt also includes several helpful options. For instance, if you enable one option, the original curve will be deleted once a new one is created. In cases where you click something by mistake, you can use the Undo option in the command prompt to reverse the last action. That wraps up everything covered in this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel.